do you want to start making money in crypto? The airdrop way is the way to go in this industry. In the crypto industry, there's a lot of way to make money, but one of my way that I've been perfecting and being best doing is finding airdrops. And today we are going to talk about Untitled Bank on the Sonieum network that we saw the video that I did a couple of weeks ago. We talked about Sonieum and the blockchain. And today we're going to talk about the airdrop that Untitled Bank is doing today, and you can just participate in this airdrop. It's totally for free. You don't have to pay money. You just need to complete the quest, and for that you are going to be eligible for an airdrop NFT, also a future token launch in the future. Okay, and that's it. Untitled Bank doesn't have a token yet, but we are going to front run this narrative. Okay, so first of all, Untitled Bank is a lending and borrowing protocol on a Sonieum network, and what they're doing is that you can borrow and lend your tokens on that platform. So today I'm going to show you guys how you guys can start doing this airdrop and also what you need to do. So welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Crypto Profeta. I am airdrop expert and also did 6-figure on airdrop, and today I'm going to show you guys how you also can do it. Let's go into this video. First thing first, you need to do your own research, and of course I have a course coming up that you guys are going to if you want to participate in the course, I'm going to be doing the course, and then you guys can see it and have it your own way. Okay, first thing first you need to have is a wallet. Create your own wallet. If you already have a wallet in the Rebby wallet, you can create an independent wallet. Always use an independent wallet to do some airdrop. Do not connect your main wallet with your airdrop wallet. In your wallet, you are going to create a different wallet. That means that you are going to name it airdrop, only for airdrop. Okay, so now after having that, we are going to go to interact quest, or you can find it also on the X account, but I'm gonna be linked it below in the description. You guys can find it there. And of course we are talking about Sonieum. Sonieum is a Sony blockchain L2, so that means that also they have 144,000 people, so that means that's a very known blockchain also coming up, and we want to front run all the opportunities they have of airdrop on that chain, right? So I'm gonna be dropping the link of the interaction camp, so the quest that they are doing, in the link in the description, and you are just going to come, and this is the website, the page. First thing you're going to do is you are going to sign up with your wallet. Like I told you guys, just create a different wallet. As in this case, you guys can see I already have my wallet. I'm going to connect my wallet to it. After connecting my wallet, automatically it will sign me up to this page right here, where I'm going to save this one, and I'm going to start doing the quest. The quest is very simple. They have limited untitled cards, so that means that it will run off in 30 days. 30 days is the date that it will finish. So after 30 days you are not able to have nothing else, so you can earn your points, and also you can interact and do what they're asking you to do. So it's a simple quest. It's just following up a lot of stuff, like for example, go to the Twitter, follow the Twitter page. That's the first thing you need to do. And after doing that, as you guys can see, I already following. I already hit a notification, right? Going back, and you guys can see right away we are gonna finish everything. First we're gonna go here, and as you guys can see, we're gonna like this, repost it, like it, right? We're gonna go back, remove this. We are going to go back, and we are going to do the same thing over and over again. We're gonna go here, we're gonna join the Discord. After joining the Discord, you need to have your Discord on point. Everything you need to have to start doing. Also continue the Discord in this case, and then you're gonna connect your wallet because they want to verify your wallet. My wallet is already connected, so I'm gonna verify it, verify my wallet, and I'm going to retweet the campaign. By retweeting the campaign, what I'm doing is sharing and reposting the campaign. As you guys know, that's the way to go, right? So now after doing this, I'm gonna verify everything, waiting for the verification. You see it's getting green. I completed my 10 points. I completed my the Discord. So now it's sending me to a different link because of course the other Discord link was not I didn't have authorization to be on. So I'm gonna verify my account on the Discord, right? So after doing that, I will keep on going. Just verify my wallet, verify the camp, the retreat campaign, and the only thing I need to do right now is finishing up the Discord server. In this case, I already have the Discord server. The only thing I need to do is go into the Discord server and apply it. So I'm gonna just start my Discord. You guys are not going to see it right now, but in this case, I'm already I'm gonna following up to see if I can verify. I can reauthorize it. Wait for the Discord to pop up. Okay, need to verify. I'm waiting for the authorization, and I'm going into my Discord. And after doing that, you are already done for it. So that means that you guys can just join in doing this quest to complete the points and get your NFT. It's limited. It's not gonna be for long, so you need to have those limit cards and to hold it. And then further on, in the future, we can complete more stuff with this quest. Okay, so it's very easy, very simple to do. It's not so difficult. It's this, we call this interaction airdrop. Interaction airdrop is when you start interacting on social media to get verified, so they can start verifying you and you can be eligible for some NFTs or some tokens in the future. So after finishing the quest, what we are going to do is we are going to explore the website. So you're gonna go up onto the website, right, on Untitled Bank, click on the launch app, and we are going to the website where they are telling us that we can claim our point by bridging Astra to Sonieum network. Okay, so what we're going to do is very easy. We're going to click on claim, and right on this claim, you guys can see that you can buy some Astra, or you can connect to the Astra mainnet by just switching to your Astra. And of course, I have a different wallet for this one, so I'm gonna guide you guys in another video how to do this. But this is like the first step of transporting your Astra to that mainnet, right? So after doing that, you're just gonna bridge over. It's gonna cost you for Astra fee. It's approximately about like 45 cents or something like that. Bridge over, earn some points, and from that, when you earn some point, you can go on and check your reward. So link will be also in the description. As you guys can see, there is a couple of NFT boosters, and this will potentially help you in the future for airdrop, also token maybe that will use for DAO, right? So here you go also to the section of earn, where you can supply USDCE, where you can supply Rep ETH, and also where you can supply Astra, and then you can go to the borrow place. These are the normal standard stuff that you can do when you're doing airdrop on the lending protocol. That's supplying tokens and borrowing against them, collateral against those tokens. For example, you can come here and then you can borrow against the token that you just deposit, and from there on you can go on and earn some points, right? So these are the standard stuff that you need to do on platform like lending protocols, because they're very easy to use, and also it will help you in the future how to build up a very solid portfolio by just lending, borrowing, and then go over to invest that money in a different protocol, right? So it's a very ongoing tutorial. Is not so difficult. It's very easy to go. And if you guys have some questions, you can just comment me, just write me in the comments and let me know what you guys think about it. But this website is very easy, and this is a potential airdrop for you guys for the near future. You never know what can happen in crypto, but what I know is they don't have a token yet, so maybe they have to create something for a DAO, and by doing that they will launch their own token, and this will position you in a very good position to earn some points and earn some airdrop. So every time we see some points in some protocol, so that means that you are able to earn some points, and that means their token. So already we see the logo right here. by seeing this logo, we know already that they are going to do an airdrop. So for me, it's very easy to identify, spot trends like this, spot narrative in these type of airdrops situation scenarios, and you guys can just go on and just that. So all the links will be in the description, and if you guys need, I will be doing some more videos about these stuff. I'm not being sponsored, but just when I find project like this that doesn't have a token, I will already make a video about it, start talking about it, so we are very early on in these projects. I hope you guys love this video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, subscribe to me, and hit a notification, because if you don't hit a notification, you are not able to see my videos. Okay, so help me by sharing, liking this video, and leave a comment below, and see you guys in the next video. Choose.